Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I wanted to share with y'all a pocket knife. And this one's a little bit different from my normal pocket knives. It's not a Swiss Army knife. What I wanted to do is I wanted to take a look at some of the older, more traditional styles, like the grandpa pocket knives. And this one is a Bulldog pocket knife. And it says, handcrafted with pride by master cutlers. And there's something scribbled in on there. And on the back it says Bulldog brand knives are handmade and each blade is individually hammer forged. Over 240 hand operations in each knife. Due to the many hand operations, all Bulldog brand knives are offered on a limited basis, guaranteed to be free of manufacturing defects. And so Bulldog brand knives from Chattanooga, Tennessee. So made in Germany, and I guess the company is out of Tennessee. Oh, there it is. Ooh. Nothing inside. Alright. Now this one is supposed to be from 1997. And it has mother of pearl scales. And, well, I got it because I thought it looked pretty. And so let's take a look. Alright, that's pretty, it feels pretty solid for sure. See, there's stuff, there's, I don't know if I can see if y'all can read that or not. It says Bulldog, hammer forged, handmade, Solingen, Germany. So this is made the same place the rooster, the hen and rooster knife was. On the blade, again, I don't know if y'all can see that. It says Pitbull, hand forged, and Solingen. So it's made in Germany. So let's grab a post-it note and see how sharp this thing is. Yeah, it's middling sharp. Not super sharp, but not awful. Now, when I got it, it was listed as a canoe. And I'm guessing that has to do with the body shape. It looks vaguely canoe-like. So one thing is, the knife is very stiff. And again, there's a little dog logo on the knife. Neat looking little knife. Now, one problem that I ran into is normally I list in the description reference links and places where you can buy these things online if you were so inclined. Well, the problem I ran into is I didn't really see any places that specific, like I didn't see a modern place that sold the Bulldog brand knives. There may be one, and depending upon when you're watching this video, there may be different options, but kind of a cool looking pocket knife. What do y'all think? It definitely has a style to it for sure. I don't know. Definitely, okay. I like it because it's pretty. The mother of pearl looks really nice. Anyway, if y'all have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.